Is this yours?
No, it's mine.
You try to take it.
The green's wide open.
Wide open spaces. Ooh.
That's what they sing on maternity work.
Great job.
Thanks.
No problem.
Topped it like a pro.
What do you want to do?
Your cart really that slow?
Yeah.
It's about time you get the sucky one.
Okay.
You're gonna forget in 2 seconds.
Think you can hit the green?
What about a barbecue?
A barbecue.
Ask about a barbecue.
What?
You're an asshole.
Alright, I lost my ball. Because I suck.
The gallery sucks. Find the ball.
Every time you and Jimmy fix the divot, I think of Space Jam. Oh, he told me I needed to play with the nipple of the SD card.
No, I felt it in the back.
Well, hello once again. Here we are,
So I got
playing another 9. Hope you enjoy them. Good shots, bad shots,
backed off
real golf.
many shots.
And on a little side note, hope you're enjoying your 4th of July weekend. Celebrating America. Let's go.
Have a blow up hole out on me.
Nope, she wasn't recording. 148. You got a 17 iron.
Oh, that's the wrong way.
Field shot.
Yep. Steel shot. Oh, that's the wrong one.
Oh. You had 53, by the way.
Oh yeah,
Ready?
so
Hold on, I
pretty.
gotta show off something else we got. Oh, it's sexy. Don't show my nipples. Go in.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
What the? What? What? That was sick. What's sad is that's a chip in par.
It don't matter how you get the par as long as you get it.
That was sick. I bet you can try that.
Yeah, I mean, I wasn't trying to chip it.
Oh, that was good.
Oh,
Three wheelers like?
Yeah, but it wasn't good.
Oh. That's cute. Oh. Oh, that's bad.
Just heat it up.
great job.
Topped it like a pro.
What's that?
My drive farther. That's what my drive went.
Yeah, sure. $24. Get it over there. Were you? Really? I don't think I did.
Oh, there gross. Hey,
Well, it would have been on the green.
field shot here.
What do you want to do?
You made me stand in the woods for that?
You made me hit it out of the woods for that?
Definitely gonna have ticks all over me. What did you?
Got ticks all over you.
Did you hit the fucking ball again? I will know.
What are you doing now?
They're probably all over me already. You get an itchy asshole tonight, Robbie. Good job.
Fuck, dude.
That was karma.
Oh,
Jesus fucking Christ.
Oh, you just hit that guy's car.
another one? Oh. Oh, shit.
Oh God. Oh, he's gonna be so fucking pissed off. He's gonna fucking throw shit. Oh yeah. Yeah, he's gonna fucking throw shit. Good job. Good job. Oh. Told you. He threw shit.
I'm fucking over this hole. Pick that fucking ball up.
He's angry. He's very angry.
I do. Oh, yeah. Definitely should have tried this.
Never need to try new stuff on the course.
Where did it go?
In English fairway. That was terrible.
Basically nowhere.
Yeah. Maybe 50 yards.
Oh God, God, God.
Oh, wow.
Went as far as my little baby chip.
Alright. 285. Not even trying to get there. See if we can not go in the water. You have any idea how good I'm doing right now?
Huh?
You have any idea how good I'm doing right now?
Oh, you're doing great.
Like seriously. I'm even.
Oh, good.
2 parts.
Yeah.
They just both go down there. See if I can have a shot.
You got so fucking lucky, dude.
Oh. Are the greens wide open?
Wide open spaces. Ooh.
That's what they sing on maternity ward.
Yeah.
I can't even use my rangefinder because somebody left it on a cart.
What a lovely guy.
Yeah.
Going 26.
Oh, cut. It's going dead straight.
There.
Might be in the bushes.
Didn't fade at all like it should have or normally would. Oh,
What in the fuck was that?
well, that little shit right there in front of the ball grabbed the club to hit that.
The fuck?
Oh, I didn't come through hard enough.
It's fucking bullshit. What? No. Oh yeah, I'll take it out.
Tap this in.
Do I take the whole? Oh, you are. Okay.
Come on. How are you that
How's
slow?
it going that slow?
What the fuck is that?
That's weird. No!
Motherfucker! Oh shit! Oh no. Oh.
177. Par 3. 13.
Set. Hike.
Oh no, it's making much and short.
Good field shot, is that what you said?
Yeah.
Like on the 11th there?
Yeah.
The 6 field shots I had?
Yep. Hit a better field shot. Look out. Oh, look out.
Jesus Christ.
Downhill rise. Good at it.
I'm making my way. Downtown, walking fast.
No, don't catch that hill.
Jesus Christ.
You're so much.
Come to Butthead. Come to Butthead.
This one's fast.
Yep. Stay there.
Be consistent. Okay.
Ooh, nice.
There you go. That's crushed. Catch it down. Go! Your cart really that slow? Yeah.
It's about time you get the sucky one.
Okay.
You're gonna forget in 2 seconds.
Think you can hit the green?
What about a barbecue?
A barbecue.
Let's ask about a barbecue.
What?
You're an asshole.
I know, right?
What you guys doing this weekend?
Working.
All weekend? All long?
Got 240.
Even in the nighttime?
Oh
If
no.
I catch the 3-wood good.
What in the fuck you got going on?
Now what do you want to do?
I'm still working out. Oh, dude. Yeah. That's a good hit. Just wrong direction.
Oh,
Winko. Come on out there.
Yeah, I think I saw it shoot down.
No way.
Dude.
you broke the grass. Yours?
There it is.
Where?
Further than I thought.
In the
Jackass!
Jackass!
You hit me.
I really didn't
Oh,
see
look like your toe perfectly hit it.
I know, that's the only reason why I saw it, because I felt something hit my foot and I was
You
like,
pulled it up for me a little bit. Give you a better line.
there you go. Got to it, though.
Woo.
Look good.
Things are feeling good.
Alright, I lost my ball.
Gallery sucks. Didn't find the ball for us. Oh, for some reason I couldn't whistle at that point in time.
Three? Or was that layup 4?
20.
That was gallery? You counting that as gallery? Oh, dude. Golf gods are looking down on me.
Water.
You don't know that it's not water.
Oh. Did you see that?
I'm so caught. It's not that far. I definitely need to get the pickle bucket out.
Why?
That's for sure. What?
Right yardage.
Was it the right yardage?
Yep.
Looks like you're about 2 yards past it. You're about 7 yards away from it.
According to my crossed eyes, I'm right on it. Get in the hole! Nice.
I didn't see my mom do anything.
No, it went straight. There it is. There it is. We need them chrome cores back, buddy.
Woo!
I want the X's back.
Is this yours?
No, it's mine.
You try to take it.
You're going 8? Looks like it's in the back, so it's really 160. Oh, you just trying to get on the green? I thought we was pin hunting. Oh, what are we doing then? Why are we out here?
All right, we got 144. I hope I got all the boogers out of my nose. Not enough.
That's fun. Oh!
I got him.
Oh, that was so close.
Dang.
Oh, what the flying fuck is that? Well, that was abysmal. That was terrible.
We can only try again.
It really sucks because I don't have the right club.
Got it.
Oh my god.
The heck is a little far.
I thought I was going a little chippy, but apparently I was going a lot.
Yeah.
Pressed the shit out of that one.
That was 8 iron from 101.
Oh,
That was all I had is 8 or 7.
right.
So I tried to do just a little, let the club do the work thing.
You want me to drive? Yeah, I'm done now. I can't even see where I'm going.
Oh, damn it! Watch out, turn the corner.
I can't see.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, son of a fucking flea markets.
I'm gonna get over the hill. That was terrible. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Come on. I don't give a fuck.
Hole 16.
342.
We're going that way.
We aren't going that way. Well, that's nice. You made it over the water. That's all that counts.
Let me tell you,
I feel like I'm not staying back.
you're doing this weird thing where you're coming back and then you're like rotating your hands down like this and trying to hit it. It looks weird as shit.
Damn. Yeah. Make it. It only went that far? Damn, I thought it went further than that.
Yeah.
Phone's dead. I have no idea how far I am.
Oh, darn. Now we're just roughing it. Oh, nice.
That's where I've got it back to. I normally would have just tried to hit it, fucked it all up, kind of backing off. There we go.
What?
Tiny little uphill putt.
Yep.
I mean, it's barely uphill, but it's not a tiny putt.
Divot.
Huh?
Every time you and Jimmy fix the divot, I think of Space Jam where the guy's just fucking digging that big ass hole.
Turn it all. Damn. I'm gonna hit that in. That was perfect. End over end.
Oh, you fucker.
Yep.
Hold it.
Bogey golf is good golf for me. Oh,
Oh, I almost made it again.
I know. That gives you double.
Are we good now?
Short par 5.
You know how to... What? What? Par 5?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe the way we play.
Whew.
It's gonna work out nice. I should run up there. Oh, I thought I was gonna land further than that.
Other than the water. You see that down there, Jimmy? See the water down there on the right hand side?
Now hit the ball correctly.
Remember how you used to do it in the 1800s?
You're right. Weird day.
Today? Today?
Yeah, the driver's swing fell off.
Just today.
Probably because you were fucking around this morning to try and make your golf game better before you go to Las Vegas.
Right.
Which I don't think you should film in Las Vegas because that's going to make you even more nervous.
You don't want to play with Las
No, I'm just telling you, that's going to make you more nervous. Because you're playing with somebody you don't know.
So,
Okay.
that's how you get over that shit.
Hi, geezy geezies. Don't, you be nice
I'm
to
just
them.
getting nice to him, close to him for you.
Hi, geeslings, gooses, geese, gessels. You just come over here and shit all over the fucking place.
Thanks.
98.
Asshole.
You need to do an intro or anything. Oh, the camera wasn't working.
Camera was working just fine.
Memory card.
Nope. Use your hair.
Robert. Definitely not Robert. He's withholding information.
Oh, he told me I needed to play with the nipple of the SD card.
No, I felt it in the backswing.
I was like,
It's like got a tuft of grass right behind it.
Bobby Burger back off there.
I don't think I've backed off many shots. Carry, but
Hang on, I gotta get close up, Robbie.
who's fucking with my shit?
I'm not.
What'd you do? I didn't do anything. Not you.
Nothing.
How's that gonna stay there?
Just trying to get close up, okay? The thing bounced.
Yeah, I killed all the fucking speed. What did you say?
We're playing together more in the heat against the force.
It's very flat. It breaks slightly to the left.
It's pretty.
I mean, I'd go in my opinion, I would go like
It's breaking left. Look down there at the force.
You see that speckle? There's like a speckle on the right edge. That's where I would. Definitely break and left.
That's me, right? Play that far, that much break. See, and yours didn't fucking break at all.
Yeah, it did. At the end. Just put it through all the brakes.
Ours?
No.
What?
Bogeys. Well, bogey for me.
How's that bogey for you?
1, 2, 3.
4, 5, I got you.
Yeah. Oh shit. Oh!
Oh, so we're redoing the ball? That's it?
Yeah. Killed that tree. Oh, play the other one now. It's the same fucking thing. That's my third. That's my third.
Added that second shot.
Yeah, I'll get it. Oh, it kicked out the bunker, I think.
If you're playing the fade on that one.
Right.
This is gonna be a tough one. It's down in there. You gotta fucking go after.
Oh.
Look at running.
Whoa.
I don't think you're in the bunker. Right there. Yeah. Feel it. Your knees.
Feel it with your knees. Like growing.
1 and 2. Now I really do have 4 iron.
Come on, let's hit this thing and go home. Nothing.
Oh, it's fading too much. That's beautiful. So that's what always happens. If I hit the irons good, the driver sucks. If the driver's good, the irons suck. Got us a nice field shot here. What is that? Let's have a blow up hole out on me.
Why not?
As long as you don't take double pump. Way too much. Love more.
Well, that concludes another 9 holes we've played today. I hope everybody enjoyed it.
We forgot to do an intro, so outro.
Another good day at the quest. ChunkyShanks.com.
If you haven't
Check it
already,
out.
please subscribe to the channel.
Gotta see it again.
Hit
Gotta
that
see it again.
like. Anybody out there? Comments.
I am
See you on the
today.
next one.